Okay, this wasn't a video I was expecting to be making. As it turns out, I had made a purchase. I had expected this to show up a month later. I spent not a lot of money on shipping to get this from the UK to here. And if you're watching this video, buddy, I'm sorry. I will reimburse you for the extra, like, 95 pounds that it cost you extra to get this thing shipped. It showed up in less than a week. Oh my God, you're amazing. Why didn't... No! I forgot! No, I forgot to hit record! Anyways, what is in this? I'll explain it to you when I get the box open, which means this is a mail call and it's unboxing time. Alright, let's see. I'm kind of excited if this is what I think it is. At the same time, I'm concerned it might have been damaged in shipping. Doesn't look like it so far. And let me also first take off my identifiers. That way, you can't see where I live. Alright, there we go. So, what do we have in the box? A lot of tape. There we go. I'm actually kind of excited. And we are open. It smells British in here. First thing we got is a keyboard. It's filthy, but that's fine. And this is our keyboard. This is our keyboard, folks. Look at that thing. And it's got this up here. You might already know what it is for you British folks. And that's why I'm excited. Okay, let's get that out of there. Let's get that out of here. We got cables with this. I got a British Euro plug. Yeah. Look at that. I can actually see on this the wiring instructions. Authentic. Okay, I'm going to put those off to the side. There's a monitor in here. Don't know if the monitor's going to be in one piece. I've already told them if it doesn't survive, that's fine. It's okay. It's just a monochrome monitor. I think it survived. Oh man. Oh man. Not a break on it. It's immaculate. It doesn't look like it got necked either. I'm very happy. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so we have a strange keyboard. We have this amazingly yellowed monochrome monitor. What else is in here? We have a mouse. So this is a very peculiar trackball mouse. It has this single wire and a bird connector on the end. If you haven't yet clued into what this machine is, I'm still not going to tell you until I get the CPU out, which has sat at the very bottom of the box, so it might not sort of have survived. I don't see anything broken. It's definitely filthy, but that's fine. Oh my God. I think it made it. It made it! Yes! There we have it, folks. It obviously needs screws put into it. This CPU, this monochrome monitor, this keyboard, and this mouse, this is the Apricot Zen. This is a non-PC compatible computer from the United Kingdom, and this is beautiful British engineering. I have been waiting 25 years, yes, 25 years to get my hands on one of these machines again. It's been that long. I'm really happy. It made it in one piece. I'm absolutely overwhelmed and with joy right now. Like, this is great. I'm gonna pay the guy the extra money for the shipping here because, like, I can't complain. This is great. Anyways, this here is not going to be a video about this Apricot Zen. That is going to be for a future video. I'm going to go now clean this up and play with it, and we'll come back to this at a different time. But until next time, have a good one.